again, so welcome back to the channel. So today, well, in terms of tonight, we're going to be making this weird thing. So like an Angel Delight dessert kit, and it's a unicorn edition. Woo. Will be when my hair's all unicorn at some point. But yeah, it's kind of like an Angel Delight kind of situation. Kind of blancmange if you don't know how Angel Delight where you are. So I'm going to try to make it. So it's just going to be a case of following the instructions. So it says step 1, whisk layer 1, which is this one with 150 of milk. Layer 2, which is a nice purple colour, same again, 150, and the topping with 100. And you get some nice kind of funky little sprinkles. They're quite cool actually. Don't know whether you can see when it decides it's gonna get it. Yeah, they're all kind of funky-ish coloured. But yeah, I'm gonna get my milk, get my mixer ready, and we can start. So I'm going to start out with my 150 milk for the first layer. So hopefully we can get the tag off. So let's start with... This is meant to serve 4. So I'm excited to see how much it actually does make. But I'm doing it in a big kind of bowl because I haven't got 4. Oh, I've gone over by 2 mil, but that's fine. So let's get this layer added in. So whisk until light and creamy. For best results, use a electric whisk. Okay. Oh, it smells quite funky. It smells like strawberry, and it's like pink. So I'm just going to get that added in. So I'm just going to get the milk added in. Splish. And let's, ooh, I'm on my arm a minute. Let's see how this gets on. They'll whisk it for a couple of minutes and see what happens. So we're about a minute in and I don't see any difference as of yet. So I'm just going to keep mixing. So I've just hit the 2-minute mark and it is actually starting to thicken up, which is great. So I'm just going to leave it to run for probably another minute or so. So that's as probably as thick as I'm going to get it. I'm just going to take this off a minute and get this into that. Try and knock it all out a minute. Come on. Woo! Right, just pop that on the side a minute. Now we're, excuse me, we're going to get our first layer in. Take that out. Move you over here a second while I scrape the bowl. And get that into my little, I say little, get that into my serving dish. Then we can get that smoothed out and then get our second layer prepped then. So I'm just going to stick it in the fridge as well while I'm sorting the second layer out. Just kind of give it time to firm up and set, per se, before I put the other layer on. So second layer is the same again, so 150 of milk. Put my little whiskey back in. Doesn't matter if it's clean, it's still gonna work out. And then layer 2. Let's see if this smells the same. It's less strong of a flavour. We'll have to kind of see how that one turns out. I'm just going to let that whisk for a few minutes as well. So the second one's now done. So I'm going to get that scraped in and put that in the fridge. Mine is getting it everywhere. Yeah, that one's going to go in the fridge and then I'll do the top layer. So the second one's now done. So I'm going to get that scraped in and put that in the fridge. Mine is getting it everywhere. Yeah, that one's going to go in the fridge and then I'll do the top layer. So for this one we're doing the topping. So this one's got 100 ml of milk. Make sure that's all out. Is this one white? Ooh. That one doesn't smell of anything either. Let's get that one in. And get this one mixing for a few minutes until it's at soft peaks. So the last layer is now done, so I'm just going to kind of attempt to get this out without it sinking, hopefully. It probably will sink. And then, because we can get the sprinkles on then and give it a bit of pretty decoration, and then see how we get on with it. So time to add the sprinkles when I see a mark on them or not. Lovely shiny glittery sprinkles. Full of more sugar. But yeah, I'm going to let this set overnight and come back to it in the morning and see how it is. No. So I've left this in the fridge overnight and it's come out fairly decent, as you can tell. So I'm just having a little bit now with Jake once the top doesn't come off. I'm having a disaster. But yeah, we're going to try it and we're going to see how we get on. To be fair, I might as well lick the big spoon because it's going in the sink in a minute, so. That's not bad. It's very strawberry jelly-esque. So if you like the taste of strawberry jelly, then you'd like this. Yeah, that's pretty much it on this evaluation. So if you like this one, guys, go like, comment, subscribe. I'll see all you lovely people in the next episode. See you later.